Sikh religions. The word Sikh in Punjabi means disciple. Sikhs are the disciples of 10 Sikh gurus. So in Sikhism, there were 10 Sikh gurus. Guru Nanak was the founder of Sikhism. He preached the message of love and understanding and criticized the blind rituals of Hindus and Muslims. Criticize means he said wrong that these religions are giving wrong beliefs. And the Guru Nanak was the founder of this Sikhism religion. He passed on the bottom of enlightenment and leadership of this new religion to the 9 successive gurus. The last Sikh guru was Guru Gobind Singh. The teachings of the 10 gurus are enshrined in the Sikh holy book Guru Granth Sahib. So, the holy book of Sikhism is Guru Granth Sahib. Clear, students? Sikhism is founded by Guru Nanak, and there are 10 Sikh gurus, and their brief knowledge about this Sikhism religion is given in a book called Guru Granth Sahib. Now the festivals. Important festivals of this Sikhism religion are Guru Parv, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Baisakhi. Okay, these are the important festivals of this Sikhism. Now, Guru Parv. Guru Parv is also known as Guru Nanak Jayanti. It is the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak, the first Sikh Guru. Guru Nanak was the first Sikh Guru who founded the Sikhism religion. For the 2 days and the 2 nights prior to the festival, the Guru Granth Sahib is read only. The Guru Granth is read, and on the day of the festival, it is taken out in a grand procession. Maghi, Bandi Chor Divas, Lori, and Hala Mola are other important festivals of Jainism. Students, clear? So, apart from this Guru Parv, Lori, Vaisakhi are also the important festivals of Sikhism. On Vaisakhi, it starts with the harvesting season. Harvesting means when crops are ready to cut. Farmers celebrate this enjoyment. And in North India and also is the birth anniversary of Pant Khalsa. So Baisakhi is marked as the harvest festival and also the birth anniversary of Pant Khalsa. Khalsa was an organization founded by the Sikh people. It is also celebrated with a great jest. It marks the harvest of rabi crops, students. So this was about the Sikhism religion and the important festivals. Now we move towards the other religion, that is Jainism. Jainism is of one of the oldest religion of the world. Jainism teaches about non-violence, compassion, vegetarianism. These are the basic doctrines of Jainism. And the main objective behind this new religion is to liberate oneself from the cycle of life and death and attain salvation. Jains are the followers of Jina, which means conqueror. This religion of Jainism was founded by Mahavir Vardhaman. Mahavir Vardhaman was born around 568 BC. See, in your book it is given 599. But this chapter you will study in grade 6. There it is given 568. So this is somewhere approximate date they have given. And he lived for 72 years. He was born to Siddhartha, the Raja of Kondilpada, the Queen Trishula. And Mahavira preached the concept of truth to the people. He divided his followers into 4 folds. They are monks, sadhus, nuns, sadhvis, laymen, shravak, and laywoman Shivika. Means four groups the people of Jainism were divided who were following. And those who were following, they were called as monks, as in Hindi we call sadhus. Now the important festivals of this Jainisms are Paryushana, Mahavir Jayanti. Mahavir Jayanti is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Vardhaman Mahavira, the founder of Jain religion. On this day, on this Mahavir Jayanti, people make offerings of milk, rice, fruit, incense, lamps, and water to the Tirthankars. Tirthankar means gurus. In Hindi, we call gurus, and in Jainism, they are called as Tirthankaras. And in Jainism, there were 24 Tirthankars. Some of the sections of the committee even participate in grand processions are also organized. Now, after Mahavir Jayanti, another important festival is Paryushana. Last month only this Paryushana has been finished. Paryushana Parva is an annual sacred religious festival of Jainis. It is celebrated with fasting, reading of the scriptures, and observing silence under the guidance of monks in the temples. So, students, this was about the Jainisms. Now we move towards the next religion, that is Zoroastrianism. Zoroastrianism is also known as Zoroastrianism, Mazdim, and Parsism. At presently, you might have heard about the Parsis. So it is only form of that Zoroastrianism. Ahura Mazda is worshipped and is known as God of God. So in this Zoroastrianism, Ahura Mazda is worshipped. And the holy book of this Zoroastrianism is Avesta, Zad Avesta. It includes five hymns of Zoroaster called the Gathas. Hymns means हम जिसे हिंदी में कहते हैं भजन्स. They are called as hymns. Okay. Now, just it also says about the emphasis on equality of gender means all are equal. Equality of all human beings. Aravindolia, sit properly, don't annoy it. Cleanliness of the environment, hard work, and charity. Zoroastrianism rituals are conducted before a sacred fire, which is symbol of their god. Yes, and see, as we worship god idols now in Hindus, this Zoroastrianism they worship fire. Fire is symbol of their god. Now, Zoroastrianism was founded by Zoroaster. He preached monotheism and was attacked for his teachings. With the support of the king, Zoroastrianism became the state religion of various Persian communities in the 7th century. So, this religion was worshipped during the 7th century BC. Now, the important festivals of these Zoroastrianisms are C. Are Damabars, Kordasal, Jastus, Nodeso, and Jamshedi Navroz are the different Zoroastrianism festivals. Students, now we move towards the Judaism, the last religion of your chapter. Judaism is the religion and culture of the Jewish people. Jewish people worship this religion. Judaism, Judaism does not characterize itself as a religion. Rather, the Jews traditionally thought of Judaism as a culture with its own language, history, and ancestral philosophy. It is their identity. Now, it is also one of the oldest religion. Judaism is also the one of oldest religion founded over 3,500 years back. It is the religion culture of Jewish people. Judaism believes in the existence of one God who created the world and continue to rule it. Judaism originated in the Middle East. So students, where this originated? In the Middle East. It spreads all over the world and it spreaded all over the world. It is the religious culture of the Jewish people. And they believe that exists of one God could create the world and continue to rule it. It is considered that the patriarchs Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob are the founder of Judaism. Yes, students. So, who are the founder of Judaism? Patriarchs Abraham and Isaac, Jacob are the founder of this religion. The Jews derive their history from the written Torahs, Talmud, and Midrash.
ठीक ये देखो
ये कौन कर रहा है?
अनुष्का
हाँ?
तान्या अनुष्का
कैसे
अरविंदा
पता?
मुझे चल रहा है नाम आ जाते हैं
Yes. Now,
स्क्रीन चालू
so
नहीं हुई इनको तो प्रॉपर्ली करना है इंसान की स्क्रीन
festivals which are celebrated by these Judaisms: Pesach, Rosh, Hashang, Horn Keeper, Chanukah, Patriotism, Purim, Shavuot, Sukkot,
आरम
and
ने ना आरम
Simchat.
डालने में चुन्नू सा किया था जिससे कोई देना देना भी नहीं उसका नीचे नीचे किया था फिर
So,
मैं उसको बोल रहा है आरम डाले ऐसे मत
are the festivals of Judaism. Religious celebrations and festivals bring joy and happiness in our lives. By celebrating them, we spread the message of joy, happiness, brotherhood, and humanity. So, students, this was